Hey guys, this is Ty's Tech, and I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion carrying case, basically a backpack. Found it for a great deal on eBay, so let's unbox the puppy real quick. They taped the crap out of this. There we go. Open this bad boy up. What's this? Oh, some stuff for me. And nothing else in the box. So toss that to the side. Open this puppy up. Now, I've been looking for a tech bag for a while now, and just reading reviews by blogs and other sites, and watching a bunch of tech reviews on YouTube. I came around this puppy. Waited a little bit for the price to go down just a little bit, and I bought it. I bought it for about $40 on eBay. I guess it's 80 brand new. For my research, I found it for 80 brand new. Pretty sure that's directly from Lenovo, but I got it for about $40 on eBay. Looks pretty great. Laptop. Open up the pockets real quick. And this kind of folds out. There's some paper in here too. And it's actually pretty spacious, and I like it for the minimalistic kind of look to it, and it seems to be water resistant, which I didn't know, which is great. But this is just a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion carrying case, and that's pretty much it. Looks pretty good. Probably gonna bring it to me on all my tech related travels.